In a small village nestled in the rolling hills of the countryside, there lived a boy named Danny. Danny was a bright and curious boy with a passion for toy cars. Among his vast collection of toys, one car held a special place in his heart, Speedy, a bright red sports car with shiny wheels and a big smile on his front bumper. Speedy lived in Danny's cozy little room, which was filled to the brim with all sorts of toys. There were action figures, board games, puzzles, and of course, toy cars. Speedy loved being surrounded by Danny's toy friends, but Danny had a secret dream: he wanted to collect every single Dinky car ever made. Dinky Cars were a brand of toy cars that Danny had always admired. He loved their intricate details, their sleek designs, and their rich history. Danny longed to have every single Dinky car on his shelves, and he spent every spare moment searching for new additions to his collection. He scoured the local toy shops, attended toy fairs, and even bid on online auctions with the help of his parents. Slowly but surely, his collection began to grow. As the days turned into weeks, Danny's room became a treasure trove of Dinky Cars. He had models of vintage cars, racing cars, and even cars from famous movies. His shelves were filled to the brim, and his friends would often come to visit just to marvel at his amazing collection. Danny's parents were proud of his dedication and enthusiasm, and they encouraged him to pursue his passion. One day, Danny received a package in the mail. He eagerly opened it to find a rare and valuable Dinky car that he had been searching for years. It was a 1960s-era model of a Ferrari, and it was in perfect condition. Danny was overjoyed. He carefully placed the Ferrari on his shelf, where it joined his other prized possessions. As he stepped back to admire his collection, he felt a sense of pride and satisfaction. He had worked hard to build his collection, and now he had every single Dinky car he had ever wanted. From that day on, Danny's room was known as the Dinky Car Museum. Toy cars from all over the world came to visit, and Danny was happy to share his passion with others. Speedy, his trusty toy car, sat proudly on the shelf, surrounded by the amazing collection of Dinky Cars that Danny had built. As the years passed, Danny's collection continued to grow. He became known as the Dinky Car King, and his room was a place of wonder and magic. People came from far and wide to see his incredible collection, and Danny was happy to share his passion with others. The Dinky Car Museum remained a beloved institution, attracting visitors from around the world. Danny's collection continued to inspire and delight, a testament to the power of passion and dedication. And Speedy, the little red sports car, remained the crown jewel of the collection, a reminder of the incredible journey that had brought Danny to where he was today. Years went by, and Danny grew up to be a successful businessman. He never lost his love for Dinky Cars, and he continued to collect them throughout his life. He even opened a chain of toy stores, where he sold Dinky Cars and other vintage toys to collectors and enthusiasts. But no matter how successful he became, Danny never forgot his humble beginnings. He remained humble and kind, always willing to share his passion with others. And he never forgot the little red sports car that had started it all, Speedy. The story of Danny and his Dinky Cars is a testament to the power of passion and dedication. It shows that with hard work and determination, anything is possible.